Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by proving the account is yours. Go to a web browser or your PS5/PS4 and open Account Management. Once there, choose Sign in Help, and then I no longer have access to this email. Enter your PSN online ID and sign-in attempts history. Make sure you note recent purchases, console serial, and payment method used. These details speed verification. You're now ready for PlayStation support's identity checks, so keep screens and receipts available for the next steps. Once done, contact PlayStation support via live chat or phone from the official support page. Choose account and security issues. Tell the agent you lost email access and request a password reset by identity verification. You will verbally provide PSN ID, console serial, recent transaction ID, and billing details. This proves ownership. Make sure to answer follow-up questions calmly and accurately, and confirm the agent sends a secure reset link or temporary code. You finish by using the temporary code or secure link the agent provides to set a new strong password immediately. Then sign into your console to confirm access. Next, enable two-step verification and update to an email you control so this doesn't recur. If the reset fails or you're locked out, ask the agent for an escalation or a case ID and follow the recovery instructions. This troubleshooting tip often gets priority and additional verification options if standard steps stall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.